Hey Dazers, we are going out today. I am taking the kids to
Kiddyland.
Kiddyland.
What's up, Dazers?
And here's my sir. Say hey Dazers. Here's Momsy. That's my niece. Meduao.
Hi, Jesus.
Hey, careful, Allah.
Hey,
Okay, Sanu. Momsy, come out. Sanu.
Hey, Dazers.
Kushigalore.
Hey, Dazers. Hey, Dazers.
And there's my mom. I'm dropping her off at work, and my aunt. Grandma and Maddie. Say hey Dazers. Alright, Kuche.
Hey, Jesus.
That's my cousin from Ghana. Just got here at Kennedy Square Mall, and they are going wild. Where's Kiddyland? Oh, that's it. I've only been here once before with the kids.
Once you?
No, just once.
Oh. I've been here like a lot of times.
Hey, go to Kiddyland. You want to come to Canada just to go to Kiddyland? Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Come on.
Bye, Mom.
Come on. Hey! Oh, look who's here! Say hey, Dazers! I'm doing good. Say love. Hey, Amir. Oh, he's so sad. Assalamu alaikum. Alright, we're going in. Clothes for sale. These Asians are so smart. Like, they know how to attract business. Oh my gosh. And here's Kiddyland. This is like little heaven for these kids.
My star!
Momsy B.
Where's Auntie Stacy?
Alright, I'm gonna have to choose something. Oh, make sure it's in there. He's going up. Banana's here. Mama, come. Where are the girls? Wow. This place is like a maze. Wonderland. Imagine Muli and Hajia this time. They're having a blast. Hey, come on, you have to be a kid. I would love to be in there though. I'm such a big kid. I would love to be in there. Roll around, jump around, climb up and down. Animal, is it a dog? Is it a donkey? Is it a wild cat? Like what is it? What is it? There's Which I mean orange slide. Now it's orange slide. Come on. Okay, you got to go green. Momsy, you're not gonna do our winking. Momsy the Kim Kardashian and stuff. Big booty Momsy. Momsy is so funny there. The big booty and Kim. But that really? Yeah, Gia.
Let's come back.
There comes my friend Mariam, Dr. Mariam Oreba. She's coming with her kids, Hamdi'sDaze and MashaaAllah. They're coming to join us. Around Kennedy Mall, come back to my favorite spots. Yes, I love coming here. They have some beautiful jewelry. Look at that. Holy smokes. Everyone's dream. Everyone's dream. Such beautiful jewelry. MashaaAllah. These are some of the stores here. Kennedy Mall. Remember I used to come here all the time with my mom. They got some Jamaican store. Some Jamaican store out here. There's an Indian store, of course. This is Brampton. Beautiful stuff. And some Caribbean restaurant. Heading back to Kiddyland. They're all in there going crazy. Hey! Hi, Dazers. Hi, Dazers. My niece and nephew, they're so funny. They're so happy. They know I brought money to spend. Oh my god.
Momsy, oh my gosh, look at
What's orange? What color do you want, Hamdia?
yellow.
You want yellow? Is there yellow? Hold on, this is for him.
No more yellow.
Okay, what color do you want? Red or blue or purple? Alright, everybody got something, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna try to get some chips. Alright, go sit down. Everybody go sit down. We'll get chips.
The young ones says they're coming, the aunties, yeah, my daddy's.
Your dad's. Your part. How was your aunt? The one who lost the party. Remember the one around your wedding? She
Oh yeah,
planned
she's
everything?
still there.
She's
She'll
coming?
be there, yeah. She's still helping me plan and cook and do all that.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
She'll be there. I just, I don't know when to start. Hey, Dazers.
That's Dr. Oreba. Make sure you have to finish. You have to finish with your. Kiss on one side. Kidaya. How many tokens? Sit down. She wants to play Wheel of Fortune. She's like, you come with me, you're very smart. I said, no, Mariam is a doctor, take her. I have your money. I have 2 of your coins. Oh, 3 actually. That's how it is. You got 2 of it one side. Amira, get it. The house is Really? Is it working? Yes,
He
sweetheart.
went over there in that store, but I got him.
Hey, Sham. Hey. Which I know? We're done. We are so done. Come on. We're done.
Hello,
Doing
Dazers.
their workout. They're doing their thing in the mall and she just joins them. Out of nowhere. She's only black and hijabi. Yes, sweetheart. Amira. Oh, Kawai Yanka, Nina Yanka. Nanaki. Dokinakin ki bata to. Amir, dokinakin ki bata ban son ta yi kuka ita baby ne. Hey Dazers, we came to my neighborhood library. It's been a minute. And I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Look at all these marine or sea books. This is where I grew up. This is my public library in my hood. Holy smokes. Hey Faiza. Hey Faiza. That corner in the back. Right there. Oh my goodness. I used to be there all the time studying. I used to live here. I would hold my pee all day. Not go to the bathroom because it's so long. Yeah. The nurses in the house. Pre-nurses. Yeah. Get your math book while you're at it too.
Wow, these are gonna come in handy. Now that I know that we have it.
Yeah, you don't have to purchase. Yeah, I remember, I think one of my chemistry textbooks, I would come and spend my day here. Yeah, that was why I was here all the time. Because I didn't want to buy it.
There's so much money.
They're not cheap. They are not cheap. I want to show you guys my little, oh my gosh, I remember these computers. Hey Dazers, we are coming to visit an old friend, Sabine. We went to college together. She invited us over for dinner. Say hey Dazers. Hi sir. We're here. Who wants to ring the bell? Hadaf is knocked out. We're here in the hood. I want to record her opening the door. Hadaf is so knocked out.
And
This
it's
is
so
Brampton.
windy, it's so cold.
Oh, I see Hamda coming. Her daughter.
Auntie Tahir is here.
Yeah, Auntie Tahir is gonna start yelling at me, saying I'm late.
She's opening
Yes,
the door.
Tahir.
I can see
Oh my
her.
God.
I can see her coming.
I hear Hamda. Why, Salah? Say hey. Hey, Hamda. Hi. Where is she? Where is she? Oh, you're closing the door? Thank you. Say hi, Dazers.
Hi.
Say hi, Dazers. She's so funny. Hey, Dazers. So we're in Sabine's house. Say hey, Dazers.
Hi.
All right, we're here and the kids are playing. And Hattie, say hey, Dazers.
Hey, Dazers.
No, you're the first one to get it right. High five. You're the first one to get it right. Let's see. Hadaf, stop. Stop. Make sure to say hey, Dazers.
Hey, Dazers.
Hamda, say hey, Dazers.
Shaggy.
She said cheese. Oh, okay. Her husband is home. It's a beautiful home. Ooh, we're about to get fed good today. Is that tandoori chicken?
Yes.
Ooh, with some
On a bed of
veggies.
vegetables.
I see that, girl. You went all out. Ooh, biryani. Oh, that looks good. Check out that biryani. This is no Shan biryani packet. This is your Punjabi biryani.
Made from scratch.
Made from scratch Punjabi biryani. Ooh, check that out. Check that out. Check that out. That looks so good.
Stop.
That looks so good. And here's the chef.
Hi.
Our master chef. Kids are here playing. Where's Hamda? Hamda's there entertaining Fazal.
The fire truck or the police?
This is gonna be the setup table. MashaaAllah, MashaaAllah.
It's supposed to be red or blue?
Tahir, I'm waiting. Hamda, you wanna tell everyone what you're doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? What's that? What's this
The
one?
washroom.
What's this one? Is that a train? Ooh, choo choo. The train goes choo choo. And what does this one say? Oh, that one says beep beep. Okay. Nice. And what does this one say? Yeah, are they? Oh, wow. Is the train?
You did?
He's not hungry.
Go inside.
Okay.
I
my spot.
only had dinner.
Dinner's
Oh,
served.
yeah.
Make sure.
And
Relax.
I only.
Can you guys go wash your hands? Go to the bathroom.
I need to cancel my ticket.
Yeah, right there. Go to the bathroom. Wash your hands. Are we gonna all fit on?
Yeah.
With the kids?
But yeah, one,
So
two.
my hair is.
That's my dad.
Oh, did he say you got two dads?
No, he was asking. He was like, who is this
No,
guy?
this is my uncle and that's my dad.
But make sure ask if he had
And
two
that's
dads,
my
right?
auntie and my mom's right there. And she.
Dessert time.
No, but there are nuts. This right there.
Hadaf.
Ice cream. There's almonds.
Sabine, can you give me tissue paper? Why, Hadi?
Hey, Daddy.
I'm not asking you. Now you share, okay?
You.
I'm not here.
Making that.
Okay. Challenge. Try being hilarious. I can do a bigger one.
At the same time.
You got one like, hey.
Oh, I love almonds. Oh,
No.
this is your little game. Hadaf, are you trying to sweep people's house?
Let him.
Really?
Let him.
Yeah.
It's okay.
The house is clean.
Free cleaning.
Sweet.
Free cleaning service.
Sweet.
Hamda is not letting go for toys.
And I'm telling you, that's what.
As soon as she sees Hadaf coming for her, she just makes a U-turn. And he's
Handi, क्या हुआ है? There is no baby.
the baby's coming
It's like
for
the
you.
baby's like dangerous or something.
Look at the way he's running on his arms behind. You.
Why?
What's his name, Hadi?
Maester.
Maser.
Good job.
Yeah.
Hadi,
Hamda.
I think mine was this. I know.
Yeah, she looks ready for bed.
just now.
I know. I'm not telling you something. I know you're trying to. I did this kind of because of the. I wasn't changing, but the crib is chrome the same as that. No, not the same as that one. That was not chrome. You don't see water stains. In this one, you see water stains.
She's just doing her thing.
So yeah, I didn't like that.
Hadaf, sleep already.
Chrome, you don't see water stains.
Sleep already
The one in the
today.
washrooms upstairs, it's all chrome.
You needed to see her smile.
Sabine painted all of these. MashaaAllah.
You can tell I love the moon.
I can tell. And I love this from the Quran. And these beautiful, beautiful paintings.
I like that one.
Which one is your favorite?
This one, this one, this one, this one, this one.
Okay, you have
But which one is your most favorite? One, choose one. Most favorite. Oh, okay.
the dark one?
And then my second favorite is this.
Yeah, I like this one. I really love that one.
It's so easy.
Wow,
Wait,
MashaaAllah.
put it back there. And that's all.
You can make these and we can
That's all
sell
my
them, you know,
painting here.
Sabine? Oh, those
All
are
of
your
those are
tools?
supposed to be on a
So
stand.
this is like your studio, right? Your little.
I'm gonna make it one.
This is a study.
There's
I
a
love
sofa
it.
that's supposed to come here, and then we're supposed to come here somewhere.
Someone, you should paint this.
So adorable.
Which sofa's coming here?
I'm gonna have to buy one. I'm gonna buy a sofa bed so that when people come over,
They can actually extend it and sleep.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's nice.
That would be nice. A guest room. You wanted that too.
Yeah, it'll be
That's
guest
nice.
room. If not, then study room.
Right.
But you can have space to open the thing here?
Oh my gosh, I love this.
Underwater goggles.
1,000 classic recipes from around Hajia. It's okay, it's a kid's room. Okay.
There and I took it in
He's gone.
Knocked out. Mouth wide open. Knocked out and Uncle Fuzzy's slap.
Hey, no, but it's slower.
So she's probably happy the baby's going and stuff.
These babies.
I know.